So hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here to my channel, it's horse stuff with Jeff, and basically whatever I'm doing that day with horses, I'll tape it and do that. I got some minis I got here. I drive them, show that kind of stuff. Just go back and look through my channel here, and I got a little bit of everything. Yeah, so today what I'm doing is I've got a couple of horses I want to brush out. I went to town earlier, and I'll show you what I got. So I got a Groomers stone. I'll see if you can see that. So a grooming ninja, sorry. This here, and this here, I'll show you this here. This, I've never seen this before, but it's got little teeth on it, just like a hacksaw blade. It's probably what it is. It's got like 50 cents worth of materials in it, and it was, I think, 21 bucks Canadian. And then this here one was 13, and this is just that kind of lava. Basically this here, yeah, this is 13 bucks. You can also go to your, from what I understand, to your, like your barbecue section and get this. This is the same kind of crap you use for cleaning your barbecue grills, but it's supposed to really pull the hair off the horse, so I'm going to kind of brush them out the way I always do. I'll do a piece of them anyway. I don't want to be here all day to show you guys. And then we'll use this one till it kind of quits coming. Then we'll try this here. We'll just kind of see which is best, because this here thing here, I mean, there's really no need to buy something like this. You can make that in about 2 seconds. But anyway, let's give it a try and see. No, you can't go in behind the gate. Ooh, ooh. This guy here, he's kind of, oh, my camera lost me. Picked up that other horse. Anyway, I'm back. Yeah, I got my Pivo here, and it's supposed to follow me around, but sometimes it'll catch the horse and then go to that. But yeah, so I'm going to brush it. I'll just do a little piece here, and then we'll see how it goes. Here. Oh. Easy. So anyway, we'll just kind of, let's see, there's not really much coming off of him anymore. So let's try these other gadgets. I actually went in there for the stone, and then I seen this. So we'll try this here and see what comes out. Okay, well, I guess that's not too bad. So let's try this thing and see. I'm going to try the other. Relax there, bud. That's not bad. Not bad at all. I actually seen this on YouTube. One. So let's just try it. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. So let's just try the spot we haven't done with this one. Well, I think I'd kind of call it a tie, actually. They're both actually pretty darn good. But anyway, I had to kick these guys out and clean the barn up. Will you quit it? Get these guys out and clean the barn here. There you go. This guy is, I think he's 3. This guy here is coming 3. I'd have to look it up and see. I haven't had him in here and brushed him out yet. I think we've had him in the barn once to trim him, and most of the time we trim, we just do it outside. It's a nice day. But it's nice to have the barn if it's raining or snowing, what have you. This little guy's a sweetheart. Not gonna get too carried away. There. I'm gonna try this here one. Let's see what happens here. Oops, that was my fault. There you go. Yeah, that thing actually works pretty darn good. That's not bad. I'm pretty happy with that. Not too much of a problem with that being there. Yeah, that works pretty good. I don't know how much of that you can see. I have to back up a little bit. You can see that one? I think so. It's hard. You need somebody here running that camera, but you see how much That's after I used that other comb and nothing more would come out. Yeah, this one here, I would say, this is the one I would go with. This here isn't bad. This isn't bad at all. But this one here is nice. Like I said, I think it was 21 US or Canada. 21 or 23, I can't remember. Canadian. So it's probably like $3 US. That'd be the more than that. You know what I mean. Like that. Yeah, so anyway, we'll let these guys out. I just wanted to show you these two things here. This one here you could probably get really cheap. I think you can get big blocks of them as well at like I said, if you go to your barbecue section instead of going into a horse outfit where they charge you more for everything. Those okay. This guy is really well. Yeah, this guy here, I think he's coming 3, and I think this one's coming 3, or maybe that one's coming 4, and this one's 3. I can't remember. But this guy here, he's a little quieter, laid back, but not quite as jumpy. But this girl here, you can be anywhere, and that horse will walk up to you and catch it. The same as this one here. But anyway, I'm going to turn them out, and then I'm going to clean the barn. That's pretty good when you got a young horse like that. I think that's the first time I've had it in the box stall, and it never even took a crap. That's pretty good. I'll do them next time. They're so muddy. It's hard to brush them. Yeah, so hey guys, I got her all done here. I'm heading to, over towards Edmonton on Saturday. I'm going to go pick something up from my minis that I've been kind of humming and hawing about getting here for a few months. And so it worked out. I found one over there that's a good deal, so I'm going to go and pick it up on Saturday. I'm not going to tell you what it is. I'm going to do a video Saturday on the trip. It's 6 hours from here, so it's going to be a long day. And I will do a video on that. I'll have that out on Sunday. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching, and subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll do, like I said, I'll have that video out on Sunday. So yeah, thanks for watching, and you guys have yourselves a great day.